How to fix login error in P&O Cruises application or in the website. If you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is actually connected to a network that is working. After that, you want to go to your Safari, create a new tab, and on the new tab you want to type in P&O Cruises. Search for P&O Cruises and simply tap on P&O Cruises official website. After that, in order to log in, at the top of your screen you'll see a sign in option. Simply tap on it. First, let's tap on accept all cookies. Now tap on sign in. And if you already have an account, simply tap on sign. Here you can type in your email address and password and simply tap on log in to log into your account. However, if you're having any problems on the application, you might want to simply uninstall the application and install it again. And if that doesn't solve the problem, simply restart your device once and open the app again. This video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down.